Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. We have now got issue 99 of Hashtag Partworks Build the Terminator. Okay, so we are finally getting towards the end of building the left leg. I think this is the penultimate one. I think in the next one we do finish the leg. So let me show you what we're doing and what we get in this one. So as you can see, these are the parts we get in here. We get the part for the shin, another one of the muscle parts, and obviously another part for making another toe, because why not? There's loads of toes. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be assembling these parts on here today. Basically, as the last few issues, we're going to make sure we assemble this toe, and when we do that, we're going to assemble this, and we're going to make sure when it pivots off to one side like this, not like the last issue where it was straight. This one is going to go off to one side. So once we're finished with that toe, we can then move over, attach this part onto here, again like we did last time with one of these sleeves and a screw, but this time it goes on the opposite side. Then we can take the part that we haven't used yet, slide that over. Then we're going to screw that down with this part we got in this issue, the actual detail of the shin. That's going to go on the front there. We turn that round, we can secure that on the back with a screw, and that's going to attach that on there for us. Then we've just got these two little details to put on. There's one to go this side and one to go that side as well. So that's basically what we're going to end up with, is this part here and this part here, all assembled, ready to go on to the next issue where we're pretty much attaching it to the foot, I believe. And next time, it does say on there, these are the parts we get, it does say assemble the left foot and lower leg. So I do believe we finished the left leg in this issue. Okay, so this one I was going to bring out on Friday, but I did start a new job a couple of weeks ago, and I'm finishing a bit later in the evening time, so I'm struggling to get to go and pick this up. So the best time for me to go and pick this up is actually on the weekends. So I've picked this up, it's Saturday, I've picked this up, so you'll see this on Monday. So that's the way it's going to be from now on. I'm going to be picking these up on a Saturday, and then I'll be filming it and then bringing it out Monday for you to watch. So that's the way we're going to be going forward with this. So yeah, without further ado, let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got the parts out of the packaging, and this is what we're going to start off with, is yet again another toe. So we're going to take this part and we are going to start assembling this. So this one goes at the top, just like so. This one goes at the bottom. The way round you want to get this is so it pivots off to one side, which I believe is that way. So it goes that way round and it goes off to that side. So let's get a screw in there to hold that down. You're going to need your Allen key again. This one does have a number 4 on it, just in case you're wondering. So let's get this started in here, get it so far through. Just make sure we've got that going the right way again. That way. I'm going to put my screw through this side. And there we are, that's that toe part on there. Okay, so next we're going to have this round this way round, and with the indented part facing up, slide that in there, and we can get our sleeve, slide this sleeve all the way through. So let's get this in. It can be quite tough to squeeze this in, but I'm going to give it a good go. I'm going to use a bit of a knife to push this down, make sure I get it in. That does not want to poke through. There we go. That's got it. So now we're going to need 2 pins, which are on this sprue here. Let's cut these off. We need 2 of them again. 1, 2, 2. So yeah, I think we've got one more to go after that, maybe 2, I can't remember. Let's get this in. That goes in there. Push that down, and a bit of pressure on the top of that. Get it nice and flush on there. Last thing to do with the toe, slide the toe piece in, grab yourself another sleeve, slide that one through, and our other pin goes just in the top there. Let's get this one in. Now I'll just give that a little push as well. And there we are, that's toe number 4. All complete. Okay, so now we're going to need to bring back this part here, and what we're going to be doing with this is basically just adding another one of these, which we've got here. We're going to be attaching that again with one of the longer screws and one of the sleeves. So let's get that slid onto there. This is going directly opposite, just in this side here. So let's get that onto there, slide our sleeve in, grab our screwdriver, and then screw that down. All the way down, which can take a few seconds because it is a very long screw. Just keep going until it gets nice and tight. There we are. That's just got to the end, just like so. And then we can take this part, and the part we didn't use last time, which is this one here, it's just going to slide over the top, just like so. So now the detail that we got this week, which was this can now sit on the top of that. That's going to help locate that in because it's got the bit there that's going to go all the way through, if we can get it in, just like that. And then we're going to use one of the thicker screws in the back just there to secure that one down. Let's get that one in. And there we are, that's that now on there. So the only thing left to do is just attach the two details, one either side here, which are on this sprue here. So let's get these cut off. Okay, so I've got a little bit of glue just in here. So I'm going to get these on the back, on the pegs. There's two pegs, one at the top, one at the bottom. And then we can get this in. So this one goes this side. Just like that. We'll repeat that process and put the other one in the opposite side. Let's get this one in. This goes just in here. There we are. So that is this issue complete. So we're getting there. And yeah, I think in the next issue we do. Let me bring the magazine in and show you. So yeah, we do assemble the final toe. We get the piston parts to go in the back. So yeah, pretty much I think we should be finished this foot in the next issue. So that is it, guys. That is issue 99. All complete, and we've nearly completed that left leg, and we're moving on to the chest area. So I can't wait to get started on that chest area. So yeah, it's nice when you get the parts like that where you start putting them all together, saves them lying all over the workspace. So yeah, as I said before, I'll be picking the Terminators up on a Saturday now, and then filming that and bringing it out on the Monday. So look forward to the Mondays for the Terminator videos. So what have I got coming up for the rest of the week? So I do have another Ecto 1 to do, so that's here. I have 8 issues of the DeLorean on the way to me. Hopefully they'll be here this week. I can start filming some of them. I also have the next stage, I think it's stage 7 of the Ford GT. I've got that here, so I'm going to film that next. And that one, I've planned that one in for Tuesday, but I've also got the Enterprise D on the way here. So if that turns up on today, Monday, then I'll film that, and that one will be out tomorrow. But I will let you know on one of my social medias which one's coming first. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.